So Caroline, if you could tell us in 30 seconds or less what it is you do and what sets you guys apart.
Sure. So we're a next generation therapeutic biologics company. We develop antibody-like molecules called soloMERs. They can do everything an antibody can do, but they're less than 1/10 of the size, and they have remarkable stability. And that enables us to use them for site-specific delivery, which really differentiates from the competition out there.
Okay, and tell me, this is Biotech and Money Investables, so why do you believe you have an investable proposition?
Yes, so our soloMER domains, we have demonstrated that we can use them for site-specific delivery. And because they have the ability to do that, we've decided to literally focus on eye disease, inflammatory eye disease. So instead of using a needle to treat, as you do with other biologics, we can add our domains topically to the eye. Uveitis is our primary indication. It really is an unmet medical need. And we already have efficacy in the preclinical models. That opens up a £3 billion market opportunity in the first instance. But our domains can then be used in the larger anti-inflammatory market, which is worth in excess of 90 billion. In addition to that, what we also have are oncology programs ongoing because our soloMER domains can penetrate into tissues, so penetrate into tumour cells and kill them. And we've also got the opportunity to do some more high-risk type projects, looking at targeting GPCRs and ion channels. And together the company has got a comprehensive IP portfolio to protect that whole process from the drug through to the clinic.
Okay. It's a great story and it's a great pitch. I mean, you guys recently won a pitching competition at a major European conference, didn't you? So tell me, what do you think it is about that particular story that is so compelling?
Oh, I mean, first and foremost, we were delighted to win the perfect pitch at BioTrinity. It's such a prestigious conference. And it really is about this disease, uveitis. It's a debilitating disease. 120,000 patients globally simply have no treatments that work for them. Of those, 90,000 will have partial or complete loss of sight. And this disease doesn't discriminate against age. So young kids, all the way through to old age pensioners, can get this disease. And the impact of going blind is just huge. You know, you yourself can imagine, just close your eyes just now and don't open them again. That's the effect.
Okay, now tell me, you guys obviously need partnerships to help, develop the technology.
Yes.
And
yes.
I've learned recently that you've done an interesting partnership with Almac.
Yes.
So maybe you could tell us a little bit about that partnership and why it is you decided to pursue it.
Yeah, no, it's a great opportunity. Almac is a great company. It's a very exciting collaboration, and it lets us enter the world of oncology, in particular the world of drug conjugates. So antibody drug conjugates are an exciting field right now, and they really are making a difference in the clinic. So what we're doing is we're combining the power of our soloMER domains with Almac's ability to specifically conjugate a toxin to part of the molecule. So it's about site-specific conjugation. Now there's multiple benefits there. One is that our soloMER domains are small and can penetrate tumours. The other thing is that they're stable and they can deal with the conjugation chemistry. It's quite harsh. And being able to control where that warhead or toxin goes, which is what Almac brings, enables us to control the antibody-drug ratio. And there's a direct correlation between that and efficacy. So it's a really exciting area to be in, and I'm delighted to be working with those guys.
Okay. And tell me, are you on the lookout now for more partners or...?
Yes, absolutely. So, I mean, I think that the way that we run the company is that our core focus is in inflammatory disease, and we're moving our products towards the clinic. But we're always on the lookout for partners who can bring technologies to add value to our technology and combine those. And we are working with Merck, for example, because our domains can bind cryptic or hidden epitopes. We have a very successful project with them at the moment. And we're moving forward with another big pharma partner that I can't tell you about in another exciting area, which I hope we'll be able to disclose at some point soon.
Okay. Yeah. And tell me, what is the single biggest focus for you guys at the moment? What's the next milestone that you guys need to achieve?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's scientifically, it really is bringing together our soloMER domains, which we've already shown preclinical efficacy, but bringing together that delivery system that will avoid the needle as well. So we're moving forward in those preclinical studies at the moment, which is really, really exciting. The ALMAC collaboration, taking that forward and showing that our domains and their conjugation technology can really make a difference in preclinical models. And I think, I'm out here today at Biotech and Money. We're obviously looking for investment as well. So that's a key milestone that we're hoping to achieve some point soon. And we're out actively at the moment looking for £10 million of investment, Series A investment.
Terrific. Tell me, what do you think are the potential obstacles that you guys are facing, that's something that might stand in the way of you achieving that major milestone you described?
Yes, I mean, I've been in science for a long time, and science tends to be challenging. And we will hit technical challenges, there's no question about that. But what we've ensured is we have a really strong, good team behind us, both scientifically and management, and they're ready for those kind of technical challenges. They're all ex-biotech, ex-pharma. They understand the process of drug discovery, which is great. I think the other side of that is, of course, is getting that Series A investment. I mean, what we'd really like to do is to secure that full 10 million, not only to take our products through to the clinic for uveitis, but also to expand in other inflammatory indications, also push forward with our oncology projects and try those really high risk, high reward projects on ion channels, etc. So an obstacle would be not securing that amount and losing that breadth. So because we really can show the advantages of our domains.
Okay, and obviously investors, they're concerned with a lot of things, but one of them is the team, the management team. So maybe you can comment about, I mean, you've briefly talked about it, but the strength of your management team.
Yes, absolutely. And I learned a long time ago to surround yourself with good people. That's absolutely critical. So our management team is composed of Chris Jones, who's our chairman, Andy Porter, who's our CTO, and Tim Morley, who's doing the preclinical clinical piece. And to me, what they bring is a broad spectrum of skills and expertise and knowledge. They're complementary. So they have started companies up from scratch, taken them all the way through to acquisition. They have secured substantial investment to bring companies forward. And they also have experience in taking a drug from inception all the way through to the clinic. And that's what I'm gaining from them, is all of that expertise.
Terrific.
Yeah.
And finally, maybe if we talk a little bit about the kind of investor that you're looking to partner with. You've already mentioned you're looking for 10 million Series A.
Yes.
But what in your mind makes for, the perfect kind of investor for you?
Yeah, I mean, I think, it's an investor who can bring, obviously, the money, which is an important side of it, but also that expertise. We really want to gain value from investors who have been successful in the type of biologic companies that we are. So that will really bring breadth in what we're doing. It will bring value to the team and success, ultimately, for the company.
Okay. One final question. Are there any, key take-home messages that you'd like to leave for any investors watching this video now?
Yes, I mean, I think that, we've come a long way in a very short period of time. We only spun out as a company in February, but we've already secured 2 million in non-dilutive and 850,000 in seed funding. We have the capabilities. We have a robust platform for isolating these domains. We understand the whole drug discovery process all the way through to preclinical and clinical. We have protected all of that with a really robust IP portfolio, and we've brought together a team that can deliver.
Caroline, thank you very much.
Thank you.